The game of soccer is the world's most popular team sport with hundreds of millions of participants around the globe. And, due to its popularity and financial interest, it is also one of the most extensively researched intermittent team sports. Nevertheless, this is largely based on gathering match analysis data and the physiological demands placed on players with training and match play, with a dearth of evidence relating to skill performance. However, this seems remarkable as the skill elements of the game would appear to be the key to success in winning performances. It appears that a lack of valid and reliable soccer skill tests has hindered research into this topic. Therefore, we have recently developed a skill test to monitor players' passing performance called the Loughborough Soccer Passing Test, or LSPT. The LSPT was developed to assess the multifaceted aspects of soccer skill, including passing, dribbling, control, and decision-making within a dynamic context. The aim is to complete 16 passes against the 4 coloured target areas situated on standard gymnasium benches as quickly as possible. Players start with the ball in the central box and, upon the investigator's call, play the ball into the passing area where they then proceed to pass the ball to the designated target. As the ball is played, the investigator calls the next pass. The player must then take the ball through the inner rectangle and out of it before playing the next pass. A second investigator records the time taken to complete 16 passes and awards penalty time for the following errors: 5 seconds for missing the bench completely or hitting the wrong bench, 3 seconds for missing the target area, 2 seconds for passing the ball from outside of the designated area, 2 seconds for the ball touching any cone, and 1 second for every second over the allocated 43 seconds to complete the test. Furthermore, 1 second is actually deducted from the total time if the ball hits the 10 cm strip in the middle of the target. This is added to replicate the perfect pass. Therefore, total performance time consists of time taken to complete the 16 passes plus any added penalty time. A series of experiments have recently been completed using the Loughborough Soccer Passing Test. We have investigated the influence of carbohydrate ingestion on soccer skill performance during and following a simulated soccer game in male players. We have also examined the impact of drinking water during a game on skill performance in female soccer players. In summary, the Loughborough Soccer Passing Test is a valid and reliable test of soccer skill. It has been used for a number of studies investigating nutrition interventions on skill performance and can be used successfully for other research purposes.